Hello everyone, today we are going to explain some features of the new Julietta X. In this case, the first point of the agenda is those setting, and afterwards how to reset the machine. To do so, first of all, we need to understand that having two groups means that we can program both doses for each group. And another thing to keep in mind is that if we program the group on the left, so group 1, automatically group 2 is programmed as well with the same amount of the group 1. To start programming, we need firstly to grind some coffee and insert it inside of the filter that you want to program with. And after you're ready to brew some coffee, you just need to enter the menu and push the button that you want to set. To enter the menu, you need to press key 5, so the one on the right, and on the display you will see that it appears those settings selected within 30 seconds. 30 seconds, after 30 seconds, automatically the menu stops working and you're going back to the normal display. So, insert your portafilter and press the button that you want to set. Once you're ready to stop, push again the button and you stop the dose. To see that you have correctly programmed the dose, you will see that the light of the button you pressed just went off. So the first button is set. Another thing that it is important to keep in mind is that the fact, as said previously, the group 1, so the group on the left, automatically set also the group on the right. We can see that because both buttons were off. Check that the programming phase went correctly, so there were no mistakes. We can try and brew some coffee with the same filter, with the same amount of ground coffee, with the group 2, so the one on the right. By brewing the first button that was programmed previously, we should see the same amount of coffee brewing. Now we are going to show you how to set the dose for the second button. Once again, we pressed key 5, so the button on the right, and we press the second button to program it. Everything must be done within 30 seconds of each interaction. So we start brewing the second button. Okay. What we see is that both buttons that we have just programmed, are off. To modify the second group, we just need to press the second button of the second group, so the one on the right, and program it. We do so because we want to change the doses on each group. This could be beneficial for two reasons mainly. Maybe we want to use one blend on one group, another blend on another one, or we can use also a different type of filters, so single shot on the left and double shots on the right. Seeing the second button on the group on the left, we are going to have the program dose for the group 1, that is this one. Then if we press again the second button but on the group on the right, so on the second group, we are going to have the second amount that we set, so a much larger shot. At all the other buttons, so the third and the fourth button, you just need to repeat the procedure that we just showed you, and that's it. You have programmed both keyboards. Please remember that if you set group 1, automatically it sets group 2. If you want to change group 2, you need to do that afterwards you set group 1.